Remember, creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand.
Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm going to show you, I'm adding some snaps to some handmade bags. And they were made by a friend of mine and myself. But I want to put stuff in them and I want them to stay shut. So I purchased this little SnaP kit. And it consists of the tool here and a whole bunch of little snaps. Okay, now I need the positive and negative for both sides. So there's that one and that one for one side, this one, and oops, and this one. That's one set. That's for one bag. Okay, put those together, and we got this one, we have this one, and this one for the other bag. Now some of them will come looking like they already been used, but they're actually not. You can snap them apart. Okay. So I pull them apart, put them back in my bag, zip up my bag. I'm going to put them back in the spot where I got them from. But I'm going to leave them out for now just in case. So what I do, okay, I have two bags to add the snap to. So this is what I do. I have some quill clips here, and I even this out and put a clip here, and I put a clip here, so it'll stay even on all sides. And then I take my top part of my snap and put it like so, okay, and take this part, put it in here, let's try this one. There we go. Now I'm going to take my tool and make sure the clear part is on the bottom and squeeze. Okay, so we got that one on. Now I'm going to take this and leave it like this and put this under here so I can mark the spot for the bottom. Okay, so I have a little pinhole right here. I'm just going to take this one, put it there, push the fabric down, there we go. Whoops, it came right back out now. So we got that. Okay, now I'm going to take this part and put it down here, and then pick this up again, and this time make sure it's at the top. Okay, and then we got our snap. That's that one. We got one more bag to do. Okay, do the same thing, even it out. Put your clips on. Okay? And then we're going to do this. Again, make sure it's even between the two clips here, okay? Pick it up, push the fabric down. There we go. Then we get this piece. And then we're going to make sure that the clear piece is on the bottom when you're holding it. It's like that. Even it out. And squeeze. You got that one in. You'll put this together. Bring this on under here. Hold it. And just make a little pinhole to where you're going to put the bottom snap part. The bottom part of the snap. And I'm going to get the other part. Put it in there. Make sure this is this way. And put it on. And then you got your next snap. And that's it. You can take your clips off and put them back where they go. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. Go make something pretty today. Remember, you are enough. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel where